Oh, I wake up in the morning with my hair down in my eyes, and she says hi. And I stumble to the breakfast table, see the kids are going off to school. Goodbye. She reaches out, takes my hand, squeezing it, saying, how you feeling, hon? And I look across at smiling lips that warm my heart, and I see my morning sun. And if that's not loving me, all I've got to say, God didn't make the little green apples. It don't rain in Indianapolis in the summertime. Oh, there's no such thing as Dr. Seuss or Disneyland, Mother Goose, no nursery rhymes. God didn't make the little green apples. It don't rain in Indianapolis in the summertime. Oh, when myself is feeling low, I think about her face aglow and ease my mind. Sometimes I call her up at home, knowing that she's busy, and I ask if she could get away and meet me somewhere and grab a bite to eat. And she stops what she's doing, hurries down to meet me, and I'm always late. Smiles when she first sees me, 'cause she's made that way. And if that's not loving me, then all I've got to say, oh, God didn't make little green apples. It don't snow in Minneapolis in the wintertime. Oh, there's no such thing as make-believe, puppy dogs, autumn leaves, no BB gun.